Folks, if you're looking for a vehicle that has power, performance, capability, and capacity where you can show up to a board meeting or take the little leaguers out for practice, look no further. This is a 2022 certified pre-owned 1500. That's right, it's a Ram 1500 Limited in granite crystal metallic. It's the night edition, so everything's blacked out, looking sharp. Go on date night, again, go to a board meeting. It's a great vehicle. Upgraded 22-inch black aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection. The tow package that can get you up to 10,000 pounds towing, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, an upgraded split 12-inch touchscreen display, amazing. The navigation, accessibility, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, ventilated rear seats as well as heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof. It's got the legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6807.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.